Welcome back to the channel, guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, as you can see from my gloves and from these tools, we will be swapping over the rims for the 330 Xi. Yeah, I know every other video that I upload is about swapping rims, but I like doing that, and I have another set right here, and you'll see what they are when I try to apply them. Obviously I only have this tool this time, and it might be a bit tricky to get them off, but I will try and do my best. These are R17s. The new ones are also R17s, but they have black details on them, so I think they will look better on this car. But enough talking, let's get to working. Okay, so I am done with installing the new rims. This is how they look like. These are R17, same as the previous one, but it just fits with the rest of the car better. Well, the car still obviously needs a clean, so I think I'll just go and do that now. I have dirt all over my face. This is what happens when you try to do it bare hands, and I don't know, I just enjoy doing these mods to the cars, so thumbs up if you like it too. Thank you for watching this, and hopefully see you in the next video soon. See ya.